Hey, hello all. So I'm Sanskriti and today I'm presenting our team project DocMan, better way to manage your documents, which we as a team Breaking Code have built for Smart India Hackathon. So let's just jump into the problem statement which we are going to solve. So yeah, the problem statement is given by the Department of Empowerment of Person with Disabilities, which is under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So the problem statement title says that development and implementation of integrated web-based office document management system. So this title says that they want office-based document management system. So like they want to automate the document management system at office level. That is the persons or authorities or the employees at that department, whatever documents they are circulating between them, they want to manage that. So let's just deep dive into the problem. So yeah, the problem statement is like web-based solution to track the status of document or file going through the approval process in any department. So the summary is like what problem they are facing with current physical document management system. It's like they need to send document from one person to another physically. So this process may get delayed and it's very difficult to trace the document unless and until that document comes back to myself. So again, whenever I'm sending document from myself to my higher authority for approval, that document may be damaged due to natural disaster or the mistakes by an individual person. Like I need to send the document from myself to another authority through peons. So the individual mistakes can also damage the document. Next thing is whenever we are sending document physically, I need to print that document. So this is again huge expense for printing the document as well as environmental issue as we need to print the document by cutting down the trees. Like papers are made through cutting down the trees. And after the document is approved, I need to store that document. So again, the storage of that document needs to be secured and its wastage of storage as well as the security concern is there. So that's why they need to shift this process from physical to digital. So what the solution they are asking is like web-based integrated platform which is customizable to suit the different departments and their systems. So this ministry may have different departments, they may have different structure. So we need to provide with user authority levels, user rights management to manage to meet the requirement of that specific department, as well as when the department is decided with the higher authority levels hierarchy, we need to provide them with creation, forwarding, rejection, or approval of that document or file in digital format. They need to be able to make sketches, attach external references to that application. All of this process needs to be customizable. They need to do the process at their own structure. So this is what they are asking for. Next thing is the applications can be of different forms like approvals, leave applications, inter-office notes, circulars, P&A office orders. There may be different types of applications that the user can make, user can send. Next thing is they're asking a platform which is user friendly, that may be similar to email platforms we have. Like we have categories like primary, spam, social, promotion. So these application can be categorized into different categories which is manageable and user can understand quickly. Next is generation of reports. If I am a higher authority, I must be able to generate report based on the document flow in the department. Next, which is very important requirement is like sufficient backbone connectivity for the server with storage space and security. That is, your server must be scalable and it must be secure. And last but the very important thing, training and implementation in various sections of the ministry. Like our user may not be computer expert, the platform must be as simple as possible that a normal user can interact with it and use it very easily. So yeah, we got the problem statement, we got the requirements. Now we need to follow the software development life cycle. So we did user research, user requirement analysis. So we started with our own college. We went to our college office, understand what are the different types of documents our college is maintaining, how they are storing those documents, what are the problems they are facing, Then we went to the Pune Municipal Corporation, discussed with them what are the problems with their current implementation of the document management system, what are the different types of document they are maintaining, how is the user rights flow, what are the different hierarchy levels, what are the problems at different hierarchies, like what are the problems for the lowest level of authority and what are the problems for highest level of authority, what are the problems with end user. So we understood all of them and found out the major problems with current physical document management system. So first one is transparency. So as we said, this is the physical document management system and that needs me to send document from myself to another person. So I can't guarantee the integrity of that document. Transparency of this process is not determined and we can't guarantee it. Next is storage. Yeah, it's physical document management system, so we need to print the document. Even after the approval or rejection, I need to maintain those documents, store those documents at some or the other place. So again, this storage expenses and the security of those stored document, which may cause damage due to natural disasters or individual mistakes. Next is tracking document. So yeah, whenever I'm sending document from myself to another person, I need to get the status of that document, where the document is right now and what's its current status, like whether it's approved, rejected, or do I have some mistakes, do I need some extra documents to be attached. These all things are not able to be done by current document management system. So this, it's very tough or it's impossible to track the document right now. Next is processing speed. Yeah, absolutely. So whenever it's physical document management system, the process is like I'm sending document to given to next person. So this process may get delayed and my approval may be taking the highest time, which can be done in some minutes. Like when we went to this Pune Municipal Corporation, we met people. So this is not a you can say end user application, this is office level document management system, but still we interacted with end user who was there for getting his disability certificate. And I asked him like how much time it takes to get your certificate. So he was like, you may get in 1 month or in a 1 year. You can't guarantee the time interval that is needed to get that one certificate. So this is again inconsistency in the processing time. You don't know when your document is getting approved. These are the four main problems we found in the current physical document management system. So now let's understand our approach to solve this problem. Now we have understood the problem statement, found out different problems with current document management system. Now what's our approach to resolve all these problems and come with a solution which is digital, which is simple, which is easy to use by end user. So first thing is online document management system. We are proposing an online document management system which will be easy to use, user friendly, which will be able to sustain the highest traffic, and which will lead to better management of the document in the online format. So how we are going to do it is using blockchain technology. What is our major concern throughout this process was we need to ensure the integrity and security of that document. So decided to use blockchain technology. So what is blockchain technology? It's basically peer-to-peer network which is distributed and decentralized. Like whenever let's take our own example. So whenever my document is generated, like whenever I'm sending an application, that document is secured and no one can tamper. Like blockchain has its property immutable. You can't update the record which is once stored in the blockchain. So that's why we chose blockchain as a security purpose of our document management system. Next thing is tracking of document. So yeah, this was the major concern which they mentioned with the physical document management system. So we are overcoming this problem here. User can track his or her document, where it is now, what's its status. Next thing is customizable platform along with report generation. So yeah, the highest authority of that department can set the structure of the department hierarchy levels, manage the application types, user rights, all the things. So platform will be customizable. Along with the authority can generate report based on the overall document flow in the department. So this is our approach to solve this problem. Now let's understand how this application is going to work, how it is going to solve the problem using digital way. So whenever user logins into the system, into the DocMan, it is going to be redirected to its dashboard where user can see the applications he received, option to create new application, and it's one more option to view his profile, his or her profile. So let's say user selects to create new application, he or her, she may have different options to create a new application, like types of application. It may be leave application or any other type of application. So now the user creates new application and sends the application to the intended authority. Now the authority receives the application, he does the same process, logins to the system, and whenever goes to dashboard, the user can see the applications he or she received. So now I have sent the application to the intended authority. That authority received the application. He or she will check the application, all the details, whatever action he needs to perform. He may approve or reject the application, and suppose he approved the application. Now I am a user, I send the application. So on my dashboard, whenever I go to profile option, I can see my applications, and there I can check the status of my application, and it's rejected or approved. Whatever he did with my application, let's say it was approved, so I can see the application under the tab approved. My application will be listed there, it's approved by the intended authority. So this is how the application will work. It will have different tabs like dashboard, where I can see all the applications I received. In profile, I can see all the applications which I sent, all my personal details, service book, all the, you can say, details that are maintained by department of their employees. So that details I can see on my profile section. And the create application, like create new application, will have like customize, let's say higher authority customized it to leave application and some other application types. So whenever I click create new application, I can see those options to create new application, and the another list with higher authorities to whom I can send the application. So yeah, let's understand the advantages of DocMan, document management system. So it simplifies the document management system. So yeah, the physical document management system, as we saw, it's very difficult to track and access by itself. Like it's very tedious, you can say tough task for anyone to send one physical, take a print of physical document, then check it, then have some record keeping. Yeah, like I told we went to PMC. So what they are maintaining, like whenever I'm getting one document and I'm proceeding it to my next authority, I need to maintain one notebook where I have to write down, like I received this application now, and now I'm sending this to next authority and name of that authority. So you can imagine how time taking and how, you can say, time consuming this task is. So yeah, we are simplifying the document management system. Next is environment friendly. Yeah, absolutely, we don't need to print a single paper, all things are going on digitally, online document management system. So we are saving trees and we are resolving one of the environmental issues. Next is reliability. Yeah, this online document management system builds a reliable platform for sharing and approval of documents. Yes, whenever I'm sending document from myself to another, we are using blockchain technology to ensure security. So this builds reliability between the, you can say, users, that my document is not going to be tampered at all. Next is time and cost efficient solution. Yeah, absolutely. Like I said, it may take years to get one document approved in a physical document management system, and here you are ready to track your application, where is your document or application right now, on which desk, to which officer. So it's trackable. Next thing is time You can say your time is saved, cost is saved, absolutely, your printing expenses are reduced. So these are some of the advantages of document manager. Next thing is the challenges we are going to face whenever we are integrating this system with government's department level. So first thing is migration of departments. Yeah, this ministry may have several departments, and we need to migrate their physical document management system to the online document management system. And this may be from the simplest task like this basic PC knowledge. We need to train their employees to migrate from physical to digital, how to do things and how to manage the system. Next thing, high bandwidth. Yeah, the server we are using, whenever that needs to be scalable, it needs to have high bandwidth, needs to have highest capacity to handle the request. That server, like third party hosting we are using right now, then that server needs to sustain that scalability level to accept all the requests it is having coming to the server. Yeah. So next is use cases of this document manager. Whatever the application we have proposed, this solution is highly secure, has tracking feature, and is highly reliable. Yeah, these are some of the advantages I mentioned before. Like it's secure as we are using blockchain technology. You can track the application of yours, and this builds reliability between the user. Next is customizable. Yeah, whenever the department is using the application, they are fully provided with the customization facility. They can define their own requirements there and customize the platform according to their needs. Next is feature for various access or permission levels. Yeah, so as it's relatable to customizability, like it will be providing different access and permission levels according to employee hierarchy. Next is in-house document creator, editor, annotator. Yeah, we are providing the create application with options to attach the document, attach external references. We are providing with the editor. We are providing with option to comment on the document or application. Next is user best-in-class technology, yeah, and high scalability and performance. Yep, we are using the at the topmost level, like what is the basic requirement of the any department, any user who is going to use this system is it document security. So we are using blockchain for that, which will ensure the security of document, and this is the basic need of anyone who is going to use the system. So yeah, to conclude this, we aim to provide cost-effective solution to document management difficulties by proposing this solution. Data scalability, availability, and integrity are all improved using blockchain technology, providing better management of documents or files or applications at different levels of departments of ministry will be helpful for the user. So yeah, to conclude this, at different user levels, whether the user is computer expert or not, they are also going to get benefited, and they can easily do their task by their own without wasting the time and without having highest expenses. We can do this using this DocMan document manager. So yeah, thank you for listening to this video. It was very amazing project we did, and I hope this will help some of the other department of the ministry. Thank you.